How to build a smartphone breath controller with MusiKraken. Loudness is controlled by blowing into the microphone. The notes are played on a keyboard. The vibrato is controlled by the motion sensors. And pitch bend is controlled by sliding on the keys. First, clear the project. Then, add an audio unit and load an instrument. In this example, I use an iPhone with audio units and the SWAM VariFlute, but you can use any other output as well. The advantage of audio modeling SWAM instruments is that multiple parameters can be controlled simultaneously, which makes this more fun. Next, create a keyboard and connect with the output. To make playing easier, change the layout style to side-by-side. Deactivate non-scale notes and select a scale that you like. I use the Hirajoshi scale here. Then add a microphone module. The microphone amplitude fluctuates too strongly for what we need, so also add a value smoother effect. Reduce the smoothing duration a bit. Connect the amplitude and then the output. Instead of control change 1, we want to control expression here, which is control change 11. But it could be any other control change event that controls the volume of your instrument. Because we are not using headphones, the sound output influences the microphone input. To decrease this effect, select the first connection from the microphone to the value smoother and go to its settings. Change the input range to not start at 0, but some higher value. Now press a key and blow into the microphone. Don't go too near the microphone when blowing, otherwise the inside of the phone might get wet. Next, add pitch bend. Connect the X-slide port to the output. Change the type to pitch bend. Now add a motion sensor module. Connect the pitch port with the output. Leave the type on control change 1. Hide the top row to make playing easier. This also works with other instruments that support expression. Instead of expression, you can also directly control volume. Maybe set the input range to a negative start value to not stop abruptly.